Hey guys, did you like this project? Do you want to make exactly the same? Then I have a kit for you. Wait and I will show you everything. Okay guys, what's inside? Of course, the ribbon set is inside. The few flowers and leaves that I used are in the set. All embellishments are inside the set. Even the elastic for the closure is inside. Everything is in, from brads to charms, everything, even the wolf teeth, the wolf things are inside. Everything is inside. Then of course those protection sheets, those pocket letters are inside, same as I use. Of course there is a clear sheet that I made for the see-through pocket for the front cover is inside. You will even have more to use. And then of course the folks leather bookbinders linen is inside. And of course the paper collection, my new paper collection, Vikings, 78 sheets in total. So there are 13 double-sided sheets, 6 each. So that is a big pile of papers to use. Of course there is a welcome note with all the measurements inside, and then of course 3 pieces of very good quality 2mm chipboard is inside. And then if you have this, then you can make exactly the same project that I made. Absolutely everything is inside what I used to create this. So send me an email if you like this. Bye bye.